But first you don't succeed, first you don't succeed. Boom! Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Asianay. Back at you again. And today I'm here with a hair video. Oh my gosh, guys, it's been literally like, I would say at least a year that I did a hair video. And I usually love doing hair videos. Like, I love my hair. I don't manipulate it too much. I just wash it, do it in one style, and just keep it for the longest time. So I don't wash my hair very often. I would say at least like once a month, if not longer, because my hair is dry as hell. I have low porosity, so my hair is not that porous, so it doesn't absorb water as much. So I'm gonna show you guys what products I'm gonna use today. Push One When Wah by Lush. Normally I would use 2 pots, but I finished them last time. This one has it does have eggs, so it's not vegan. The eggs are gonna give me a lot of protein and make my hair less prone to breakage. It has bananas, and bananas are amazing for retaining moisture, so you already know why I chose these. What else? I think it has olive oil, and olive oil basically is an oil that repairs the elasticity of your hair, so it's basically gonna again, just like the protein does, make it less prone to breakage. You get what I'm saying? You get what I'm saying? It's gonna make it stronger. And what else? It has rosemary, so it's antibacterial, so if you have scalp problems, definitely massages into your scalp. It does have cinnamon leaf oil, and that's gonna promote the scalp to produce more blood flow, so it's gonna fasten the blood flow, and that will aid in hair growth, which, you know, I'm trying to get my hair to waist length, so let's do this. It's step number 1. Look rusty, because I look a mess. My hair is dirty as hell. Whew, my hair has been in a bun for like decades. All my videos. If you go back and watch all my other videos, yeah, it's been in a bun. The last time my hair was open, that was the last time I washed my hair, so yeah. This is a mess. I also don't detangle my hair until I have products everywhere. Starting my scalp. And I do not part my hair for this, because normally I have enough, but I don't know. Let's hope I do today. As long as it covers my scalp and my ends, I'll be happy. I'm gonna go ahead and do the back. So this mask, I'm gonna keep it in for, I would say, the minimum of an hour. Don't mind my hyperpigmentation under my armpits. Most black girls have that, if you were not familiar. I got rid of it for the summer and I was so happy, and now your bitch is back.
I can feel you touching me. Even when you're not here, feel you touching me. Even when you're...
It smells like cookies. Normally when you smell it in the shop, because if you didn't know, I work at Lush. It doesn't smell that, how do I say this? I don't think, in my opinion, it doesn't smell that nice. But in your hair, it smells like the gingerbread man.
From my hair to my toes, baby. Kinda losing all control, baby. Your fingertips touching my soul, baby. Finger me right in my soul, baby.
I got hair and clean underwear. It's basically covered. Normally it would be not dripping wet, but way wetter than this. But I don't mind. My hair is so long. So last September, 19th of September, was my 2nd year of being natural. Can you believe it? It has gone so fast. And if you want to see my big chop, I'm gonna link it down below, because that was my very first official YouTube video, and it was received very well by you guys. So if you want me to make more natural hair and hair care videos, definitely let me know. So let's go ahead with this hair in a bun. And I'll see you guys in, I would say, an hour or 2 hours. Boom. So, I'm back after an hour. I couldn't leave it for longer. Normally I would leave it for super long or even leave it overnight. But the girl didn't have time. I have a Halloween party later, so I have to blow dry my hair too. If you want to see me blow dry my hair, comment down below. I'll show you how I do that. And I'm already going to show you guys what I'm going to use after I rinse out all my conditioner. It's this Shea Moisture Strengthen and Restore, Strengthen and Restore Blow Dry Cream to just protect my hair while I blow dry. So you guys won't be seeing this in the video, but if you do want to see how I use it, let me know. So the next step is I'm going to be washing my hair out. So I'll be using the Cleansing Cream Shampoo. It's sulfate free by Cantu. It smells amazing. I think all you naturalistas know by now that it smells amazing and it's great. So I will be right back after I rinse this out. Okay, so I washed it out of my hair. My hair feels really soft. Normally after I wash any other mask out, it would be a fro. We're gonna go ahead and use this and cleanse this scalp, sweetie, because Lord knows I need it. I mean, normally I don't mind using sulfates on my hair because I don't wash it often anyway. So when I do wash it, I need some sulfates to actually cleanse the scalp. So I don't really mind sulfates. But today we're going to do it sulfate free. Making sure I get rid of all that gel I use. I use a lot of gel. I use Gorilla Snob, but also my own flaxseed gel that I make. If you guys want to see a video on how to make flaxseed gel to define your beautiful curls, let me know. I'll definitely be excited to make that. But if you want a skincare routine, because my skin is glowing, if you want that, let your girl know. I got you guys, but you know, Lush got me together. I don't know if you guys remember that video I made of how to get rid of dark spots. My skin was a mess. That was when, I would say, a couple of months after I started working at Lush. Girl, it was a mess, but now Lush got me together and I'm ready to share my secrets. The conditioner that I'll be using is this Aussie 3-Minute Miracle. It's literally covered in tape because I bought it in America and I took it here with me because they don't have this one, I think, here. And I haven't seen this here either. It's the Youth Enhancing by OGX Saki Essence Conditioner. I mainly use it for the smell because it smells so good. Yo, I wish I could smell this. It smells amazing. So I use this for the volume, as in volume of the amount of conditioner. So I could just detangle my hair with this. And then I use the other one just mainly for the scent. So this also smells amazing. Let's condition this hair. I did detangle my hair when I still had the mask in my hair, and this is the amount of shedding I had. From, I would say, a month of not washing my hair. This is nothing because you do shed about 100 hairs every day, so that's not that much for me. I got a little bit of the Aussie in there. I'm gonna get the Saki Essence one into my hair for that delicious scent, but also because the Aussie was definitely not enough for my hair. And I'm gonna go ahead and get my hair wet a little bit so it'll be easier to detangle. And I just start at the end and then go up.
When you're not here, feel you touching me, even when you're miles away, miles away.
I have a lot of hair, guys. This is why I don't like doing this, because it's a nightmare. I mean, I love it because it's like, yes, queen, self-care, love yourself, take care of yourself, but bitch, your arms are gonna be like, no, queen, can you not, like, help? I need somebody. But I like the end result though. Do you see this? Do you see that? That's why I hate wearing my hair out, because the shrinkage is real. I could have literally like, oh, 22 inches, and then it would come up with 2 centimeters of hair. 1 inch basically, like,
Way more than those. And I feel like I need you, baby. Not to breathe, but to love how I need to. And I swear it's way more than lust, way more than those.
the back is the longest part. It's also the first part of my hair that was natural, because I just literally cut my hair just to see how my curls were. I didn't give a damn. I was like, chop chop, and they were gorgeous. So I went ahead and did the rest of my hair like a month or 2 later.
My tears like they are calm, baby. Feel so connected to you, bonded by hearts and by soul, baby. Fuck me right inside my soul, lick my tears like.
Eu deixo secar, será dessa mulher, e a gente vai viver a vida como Deus quiser, sem dar satisfação na nossa relação, condenar-se a viver. Vitar, bitch. Amor, eu te avisei pra não ficar me esperando. Eu não sou santa e a pista tá fervendo, me chamando. Eu tô pegando o que quiser, amor. Bah, bah, bah. Se você gosta de mim, quem mandou você se apaixonar? Problema seu. Nunca curte enlouqueceu, problema seu. Curte enlouqueceu, problema seu. Ok, problema seu. Se você gosta de mim. Your girl is done. Now I'm gonna wash this out. You wanna set? Tu vai sentar, tu vai sentar, tu vai sentar, amiga. Vai ser ritinha, chiclete, não tome, vai ficar. Chama só de peixe, ser bruxo. But yourself fast and try it. Try it. If at first you don't succeed, first you don't succeed. If you were wondering what mask I'm wearing, I'm using the mask of Vitamin C mask by Lush, mixed with a little bit of Dark Angels. This is actually a facial cleanser, but your girl is about to wear makeup and my face is looking rough a little bit. So I just wanted to get my skin really, really deeply cleansed, which is why I added the cleanser. In the mask, it's with charcoal. The mask of Vitamin C is actually green and this one is black. You can see a little bit of the mask of Vitamin C in there. And it's with peppermint. And this is the mask of Vitamin C. Yes. The only products I used in my hair right now after washing it is the Strengthen and Restore Blow Dry Cream by Shea Moisture, which I already told you guys that I was gonna use. And this is what I'm working with. I actually dried my hair with a microfiber towel. Okay, so this is what the towel looks like. I just bought it at, it's not a drugstore here, but it's like kind of a dollar store. Or no, let me say Dollar Tree. because they have a lot of stuff for really cheap, but also household products and stuff like that. It's called Action here in the Netherlands. But yeah, this is what my hair looks like. Yeah, cotton in my hair, but whatever. It's still a little damp, but in the shower I literally squeezed the most amount of water I could out of my hair. Then I put the product in and then braided it back up, and when I got out I put this on my head and just let it absorb the excess water. And now I'm gonna go ahead and dry my hair. If you guys like this video, give me a huge thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe. Inscreva-se no meu canal. And also, if you want to see my skincare routine and everything I use to get my skin clear, or just how I blow dry my hair, comment down below. Let me know what you want to see. Request some videos, because to be honest, I have no idea what I want to do on my channel. Right now I'm doing a lot of reaction videos, but of course I love hair. I'm obsessed with makeup. I'm a professional makeup artist, so I would love to do makeup also, but let me know what you want to see, and I'll see you guys tomorrow or next week. Ciao! Mwah.